Hey logo designers, this is Michael from the Logo Package, and today I wanted to show you how you can change the order of the colors in Logo Package Swatch. So on the left here we have three colors. There's a green on top of a blue on top of an orange. And we might think that if we set these colors, the order in the extension would match the order on the document. But it doesn't. And that is because Logo Package Swatch determines the order of colors by the layer order. So if I come into the layers panel, we can see that orange, blue, green is the order, and that is reflected in the extension, even though we have the design laid out a little bit differently. So there are currently two ways that you can change the color order. One is to set these colors one at a time. If you want green first, set that color, then set the blue, and then set the orange. The second way to ensure the proper order for your colors in the extension is to change the order in the layers panel. So if I move green to the top, blue to the middle, and orange to the bottom, now when I make my selection and add colors, you'll see that it is the desired order. The order of colors in the extension is also the order of colors in the color sheet that we generate. So it's very important if you have primary, secondary, and tertiary colors, which you need to be in a certain order, that you make sure that the layers are in the correct order, or you set the colors one at a time to ensure everything is exactly how you want it. And this is how you can change the order of colors in Logo Package Swatch. Thanks for watching.